Welcome friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we on HVAC we have discussed a topic of duct leak testing. Now in today's video we are going to look at once you get the report and you find the leakages, how to arrest those duct leakages. There are various processes which are available, how we can do that, because we'll always get some or more leakages. How do we arrest those leakages? That's the topic of today's video. Before I go ahead, please subscribe my channel and spread it to your groups and friends. We have seen the duct leak testing report in last video. So remember I said if the duct leaked, the percentage of duct leakages with respect to this class is within the 3%, you can pass. But what happens if it is more? And that is where this video will help you. If the duct leakages are more than 3%, we can go for leakage points. Where are those leakage points? You can find out from this duct sections or this duct section. You can see there are leakage points over here, there are leakage points over here. Similarly, you can find in various sections of ducts. Once you identify these leakage points, then you have to do a leakage arrest. How do we can make more and more airtight? One is having the rolled duct masking sealant. This is a tape which can be applied on the joint, and that can actually give you a good arrest of leakage. The second is a spray, which is a water-based microbial resistance spray, which is put inside the ducts, and wherever the leakage points, it actually seals there, right? So these are two important things, and the traditional way of doing it, which is there in the first picture, is by putting our duct sealants and try to put maximum onto the joints where you feel the air can come out. This is what I spoke about. These are the sealants which you can put out from externally. The other method which is now available is having aerosol products, where at the higher velocity they are pumped into the ducts, and whenever it finds a leakage point to get out, that product is coming out of, while coming out of that leakage point, it gets stuck and that leakage point is closed. It is said the life of that particular material is 15 to 20 years. So it's a semi-liquid form, and once it gets stuck like chewing gum, it is there permanently. So it avoids the air coming from the duct to outside. So that's the another method which I learned currently. Hope you like the video, and I request all of you to please enroll into my course on good installation practices in HVAC system. The links are in the description box. Please click the link and enroll into this course. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.